investors and allocators, understanding this infrastructure and evolution is essential to anticipating how the market access, settlement mechanics, and capital efficiency may transform over the coming years. Let's first start by defining the tokenized equities. Tokenized equities are digital representatives of stock exposure that exist on blockchain infrastructure. In their current predominant form, these tokens function as derivative contracts rather than actual equity ownership. Holders receive price exposure to underlying stocks but do not obtain the legal rights typically conferred to the shareholders, including dividend distributions and voting privileges on corporate action. The primary operational advantage lies in settlement efficiency. Traditional equity settlement operates on T+2 basis, meaning transactions clear in 2 business days after the execution. Tokenized transactions settle in seconds. Additionally, these tokens trade continuously, eliminating the constraints of exchange operating hours. However, this round-the-clock availability does not guarantee continuous liquidity, as trading activity remains concentrated during the traditional US market hours when the underlying assets are actively traded. Next, let's try and understand the current market architecture. The global tokenized equity market currently encompasses approximately 900 million in circulating value across roughly 200,000 holders. This remains a fraction of the traditional equity market but represents meaningful infrastructure development. The key platforms facilitating this activity include the Ondo Global Markets, the Bungie Exchange, and the MEXC. Major crypto-native platforms including Robinhood Markets and Kraken have extended tokenized trading capabilities to their international customer bases, though the US investors remain excluded under the current regulatory frameworks. The user base skews heavily towards crypto-native investors and international participants seeking US equity exposure. A key utility driver is the ability to transact using stablecoins, eliminating the need to off-ramp from digital assets to fiat currency. For the investors holding substantial crypto positions, this preserves capital efficiency and in certain jurisdictions offers tax advantages by avoiding realization events that would be triggered by crypto to fiat conversion.